Let's go! What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a cold one. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. We gotta get to 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. We're almost there. Just need a couple more, bro. We need like 12 more people. Come on, we can do it, bro. I think it's like 16 more people. That's all we need. We got this. Oh, all right. So a bunch of people recommended that I do a POV drive kind of through the mountain roads around here and stuff and kind of rip it. So today we are doing that. I'm gonna take a pretty good rip on this little lady here. We're gonna take a little rip through the mountain roads around here because there's a lot of really good roads. Hopefully they're not too bad. I probably can't go super ham because it did snow this morning. So I'm gonna try to keep it toned down a little bit, but we gonna send it, bros. So I already got started up and warmed up. I was gonna do a cold start, but it was like really cold and I didn't have the camera on, the battery died. So she's already warmed up. Let's get into it. And I think it worked pretty well last time. I like mounted it like up here and then you guys could kind of see everything. So I will do that again. Yeah, that looks pretty dope. I put the angle on wide too, so you guys should see pretty much everything. But I got you mic'd up, so everything should sound pretty good. Let's go for a rip, boys. Try not to scrape on the driveway. Now there's like this giant divot right here because I keep sliding down the driveway because it's icy. And then I like to bottom out on that, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, a bunch of people recommended that I do a really good POV driving video, so shout out to you guys, this is for you. I'm gonna let her get warmed up a little bit on this before we get up to the little mountain road. And I'll go see what we can find. Whoa, she's a little slickery. Get ahead. Ain't trying to let him ruin our fun, bro. Oh, we're good. He's not taking our road anyway. We're good. We good. And up we go. This is like where this car comes alive. Like on roads like this is where it's perfect. It's light, it's nimble, like you can literally throw it wherever you want it. Especially the new lowering springs. Lowering springs tightened it up quite a bit. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Bros! What am I even trying to say? Let's go! And we're turning right, so we're gonna look to the right, look to the left, back to the right, and here we go. Oh shit, what the fuck, that was so sick. Oh, just kidding, I can turn. I literally have no idea where I am. Let's go! Stop sign. Let's go. This looks like it goes up more, so we're gonna go this way. And then let's go up this way. You guys can see or not because I put a wide angle lens on, but we're at the top. Looks sick. You can see everything over that way. I literally love this, bro. If you guys want more POV videos, I'll do like I can start doing like a little like adventure time kind of thing, and we'll go ripping around and like find random mountain roads. If you guys like that, let me know in the comments. If you don't, tell me you don't want it. If you like POV ripping, like this video. Where am I? Oh, I never have to look. I can't ever tell if it's recording or not. Let the nice people enjoy their walk on this freezing day. Whoa, she's gonna be mad. Just kidding. Oh, we gotta get a cool thumbnail somewhere. Definitely have to do that. I literally hate this part. It's not wide enough for anybody to go through. I don't care what anybody says. I actually can't see anything. Ah! We're gonna do a little send on the highway. Traffic today, bro. God damn it. So much for like really sending it. I hate when somebody's in the left lane and is going 65 and like sitting right next to somebody else in the right lane going 65. That drives me nuts. Like, move! Getting him on the right. Coming in the final corner, passing on the right, coming in hot. Another car coming in. What'll he do? Just gonna sneak in here. Thank you. Let's get some flame clips. I'm gonna try to get you. Yahoo that. Exactly. I'm gonna try to give you guys as much point of view action as I can. A little bit of a couple flame clips, tunnel clips, mountain roads. Let's do it. Bro, I'm like, what a perfect time that was. I'm like revving it and then the gas light comes on. That's exactly what this car is. When you have it in the verbal tune or the flame tune, it literally like drinks a tank of gas. It's kind of great. Whoa, bud. We're just gonna not bottom out on that. That dude just saluted me. That was dope. He knows. He knows. He hit me with the, yeah, it's cool. Just go ahead. That's fine. I didn't want to go anyway. Whoa, buddy, take it easy. Just like, oh, I'm so mad at the traffic. I'm just gonna sit here and burn out my Subi, bro. Swing that thing, honky, Jesus! Swing it wide. Thank God, Gam finally turned. Really putting these springs in for some work. Ooh, snow. Ah! I just slid, oh shit. Here we go! Spinning up everything. Oh shit. Shout out to somebody who threw down sand. Up here is where I get the thumbnail. I'm pretty sure there's a good opening up here somewhere. Oh my god, bro, I hope you guys appreciate this because these roads are literally just ice. God, we're really sending it out here. Let's go see if we can find the thumbnail up here. I also need gas, like pretty bad. So why not waste it? This tells me my elevation. Why did I never know that? We're at 1,500 feet. That's a lot for around here. Just for everybody who wanted to know the elevation. I thought you might want to know that. Or we just need to get a picture. What if I go like up this way? And just like park up. Just get a pic real quick. Look at where we at though. Doesn't get much better than this. It's like silent, beautiful. Oh, this is so sick. I just had to skirt out of the way like super fast because the UPS driver just came hauling down the hill and he started sliding and I was like, damn baby. Hell yeah. This is so sick. That's why I love it around here. If you guys like this kind of stuff, if you like this, I'm from Vermont, New Hampshire area, so if you like this kind of stuff, I'm your local boy. Subscribe to your local boy and I'm gonna give you that content that you're looking for. Are you from the city, you want foliage? You're gonna get foliage. You wanna see grass? We got plenty of grass. For real though, we gotta get to 100 subs, guys. That's the next milestone. Let's get it. Let's do it together. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. As always, keep it real. You guys are awesome. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. I'm gonna try not to die on the way back home. I gotta go get gas, but I hope you like this video. It won't be super long. I just want something short and fun. So, I think that's it, bros. I'm out. Peace.